Welcome into Legally Speaking with Lawyer Lisa, where we sit down with one of the only elder care attorneys in the Palmetto State, lawyer Lisa Hostetler Brown. She helps you plan ahead for your golden years, avoid issues, and maximize your options. Let's take a look at this week's conversation. Hi, I'm Lisa Hostetler Brown. Thanks for joining me for Legally Speaking with Lawyer Lisa. Today we're going to talk about life care planning. You may not have ever heard of life care planning. This is something that goes beyond just estate planning or elder law. Life care planning is for older adults who may be sick. When you are sick as an older adult, there are a whole different list of things that you have to worry about or that your family has to worry about. Life care planning is intended to help take the burden off of you and your family if and when you need that support. So let's talk about what it is and how it can help you. Life care planning incorporates not just legal documents, but also a comprehensive plan for dealing with your estate planning, your financial strategy, and your healthcare concerns. So this, of course, is going to include more than just a lawyer. Life care planning includes the use of a social worker or other support care coordinators. We call them elder care coordinators, but if you're not old, you can call them a care coordinator. Life care planning is going to help with all of the things that you need to worry about as far as navigating your benefits. Maybe you don't understand everything about Social Security, Medicare, Medicaid, veterans benefits. I don't know anybody that does. But a team that does life care planning has different people who know a lot about all these different programs, so that if you do need to apply for benefits or you're having a problem with the benefits you're receiving, there's somebody who's knowledgeable about this that can help you navigate the system. You're not left alone. It's important to have somebody who actually knows the right answer with certainty on all of these issues. When your spouse passes away, your Social Security can go up to what the amount is that your spouse was receiving. Did you know that? In most cases, it happens automatically, but in some cases it doesn't. And so having somebody to review that, to make sure that you're getting all the money you're entitled to, is important. If you served our country, and thank you for your service, you may be entitled to some veterans benefits. And there's a variety of different benefits that might be available to you. And it's time to explore that. Maybe you're not entitled to something right now, but maybe there's something you can be doing so that you're starting to get all your stuff in order to be able to receive those benefits down the road. It's important to get this stuff in order when it's not a crisis and when you have time to figure it out. Life care planning gives you this support. I know that when I get busy and I've got to deal with something with the government, it's overwhelming, and that's for me, and I know what the answer is. So we know that you might need life care planning to help you get the answers to all of these care concerns. Maybe you want to stay at home. What does that look like? What should your house look like? How might there be benefits that can help pay for you to stay at home? If you can't stay at home, what does that look like? How do you get to a facility? What facility do you go to? What if you don't have enough money to pay for that facility? These are all things that our life care planning team deals with. And so it's a comprehensive answer to all of the things that come up as we age. Maybe you have legal documents, but your legal documents might not be the right legal documents for your situation. Maybe your power of attorney is a basic power of attorney, and you need one that covers setting up a trust, protecting assets, moving assets around so that your spouse has money for themselves if you need the government to help pay for your nursing care in the future. All of this is addressed as part of a comprehensive solution in life care planning. So if you or your family member is starting to get older and you're thinking that I need to get a plan in place, or there's concerns, healthcare concerns, financial concerns, legal concerns, and I just can't navigate all of this on my own, inquiring about life care planning might be the answer. We have a lot of information on the QR code on our website. You can check it out, read more about this, get educated about life care planning. It may be a solution for you. Having somebody to ask and get an answer from that you can trust instead of just winging it might be what's in your future. I'm Lisa Hostetler Brown. Thanks again for joining me for Legally Speaking with Lawyer Lisa. I look forward to seeing you next time.